Welcome to this episode of Grade Booster. Today we will help you boost your grade with this easy way to learn dimensional analysis. Come learn with me. First, what is dimensional analysis? Although it looks hard, dimensional analysis is just converting one type of unit to another. For example, converting milligrams to grams. Let's try a simple way to convert from one unit to another. Remember how many days make up a year? We're going to convert 1 year to X days using dimensional analysis. Don't worry, you can do it. First, let's put our known unit 1 year on top or in the numerator. How do we convert our units? We put the same amount that makes up our conversion unit in the denominator so we can cancel units later. If we want to get from years to days, let's recall how many days make up a year. Now that we are in the correct units, let's cancel out the old units. Good job! You practiced converting using dimensional analysis. Next, let's try a practice problem together. What is the mass of 45 liters of oxygen gas? First, let's figure out what type of units to convert to. In this case, the word mass was used, indicating grams. Second, let's put our known quantity on top. Third, we know that we want to convert to moles, so let's put 1 mole to the right of our first quantity. Our following step is to put the unit we want to cancel out / get rid of in the bottom in the denominator. So let's look up how many liters are in 1 mole. That's right, 22.4 liters are in 1 mole at standard temperature and pressure. If we want to convert from liters to moles, we will need to cancel out the liters. Next, we need to convert from moles to grams. Pause the video to try it on your own. How did it go? It's okay if you need some help, that's what I'm here for. Let's take a look at the problem again. Currently, we are in moles and need to get to grams. Let's check how many grams are in 1 mole. That's right, 32 grams are found in 1 mole of oxygen gas. Since there are 32 grams in 1 mole, we can put 1 mole under 32 grams, so we'll have 1 mole in the denominator and numerator. Let's cancel them out. Remember, in order to determine the number of significant figures in the answer, we need to look at how many significant figures are used originally in the problem. In this problem, it's 2. Next, we multiply the top together and divide by the bottom to get our answer. Good job, you did it! You learned how to use dimensional analysis, practiced with me, and practiced on your own. Luck on your next learning adventure!